Hi, welcome back to Bismaster Education Platform. Today we are going to learn about one more new tool in the Photoshop. It will call eraser tool. So this is also a very important tool when you are working with the Photoshop. You must learn about this. In here, three type of eraser tools: normal regular eraser tools, background eraser tools, and magic eraser tool. Eraser tools is normally we are using so erase something direct whatever in the image. Second and third erasing tools is very important while we are working with projects. Let's go and see what we can do with this tool. So I'm going to open some image from my image gallery. You also open some image from your image gallery and try to do this practice. Select some background. I want to remove some backgrounds. This image, and I will open these two images and see what we can do with this tool. So I have two images. What I'm going to do first, I will show you normal regular eraser tools. This one. When you select regular eraser tools, see you can select the brushes whatever you want from here, and hardness, also the size. Whatever size you want, you can select brush size from here, and opacity, and here I will select our brush size like this. So I'll show you how to use normal regular eraser tools. If you erase something with this normal regular eraser tools, everything will be erasing whatever you are erasing, that area, all the details. Let's see what happens if you use this eraser tool. See what happens. Everything will be erasing with this tool. Whatever you want to erase, everything will erase. This is normal regular eraser tools. You have to be carefully use these tools, otherwise your details will be erasing, and you can get it back. Press the Ctrl Z key to get it back like this. Okay, so then this is normal regular eraser tools. And before using these tools, make sure in here color should be default color. Otherwise, if you have some different colors in here, example like that, background color, this one, some like that, it will be applying that color. Okay, now see what happens if you erase in here now. Now it will be applying that red color in the background. Now you have to reset in here. For the reset, press this small button in here. It will be resetting your default colors. Now what I am going to do, I will select another eraser tools called background eraser. This one. When you select these tools, there are three options. See what is showing here: sampling continuous, and other one sampling once, and sampling background search. Okay. If you select sampling continuous, this one, it will be sampling continuously wherever you are going to erase. It will be sampling continuous. See what happens. Sampling always wherever you're going, that everything it will be sampling. In this case, first one is not good to use if you're going to remove some specific details from your image. Control Z to go back, and then I will select this second one, sampling 1, right? Then after that I will reduce my brush size little bigger, like this is good. See what happens now when I'm going to, your layer is on. Make sure your layer unlocked from here, and then see what happens now in here. Make sure your sampling one is selecting from here, this one, middle one, and then so I'm going to remove this dark blue sky, and I will replace it with bit bright sky in here. See how we do that. Alright, I'm going to start from here to remove this background. See what happens now. It will erasing only the whatever first color when I selected from the image. Other colors will not erase. Removing these colors, you have to keep hold your mouse point. Don't release it. If you release, it will catching another color. Because of that, you have to press and hold your mouse point while you are working with this tool. Not that much difficult things. It's easy, but you have to do it carefully. Otherwise, your other details will be erasing. Because first I catch this blue color. That's why it's erasing all the blue colors in the image. Right? I remove blue colors. Still more in there. Okay, then I'm going to release this mouse point, and I will catch another part from same place to clean properly this area. So for that, I will bring my mouse point here in this area. Then I will release. Again I will click it and I will remove again like that. See now how it is. Only 2 times I use my mouse point to remove this background nicely and clear. It's almost good, but still we can remove little more. To do that, I will release my mouse point and I will zoom in little bit this image because I want to see it properly. What I'm going to do, I will make a small little bit my brush size. Then I'm going to select this area because I want to remove this area also. From that, I catch details from that area, and I'm removing that area also. Like this is okay for the practical, but when you are working with the professional or company or somewhere, you have to do it very carefully and very nicely. You should have good patience to do these things while working with the projects in your real graphic designing life. This is okay for me because for the practical, let it zoom out. Then I'm going to, that's my other image. I'm going to open this image, open back. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to replace this background in here. So now we will getting two lessons: how to remove the backgrounds and how to use the eraser tools, and also to replacing some other image part of the image. For to do that, make a new layer first from here. I'm not going to explain how to make a new layer because you must know about that. And now what I'm going to do, select from here, I'm select this magic wand tool because I want to select this background, this is sky from here. Okay, for do that I will select T to deselect. Make sure add to selection. Let's select this one, add selection. Let's select this all, only this sky area. Okay, and this inside the sky selecting details we have to remove. For to do that, I will use another tool. This is also another good practical for you. I will use these polygon eraser tools. See what I am going to do. Very easily I remove that middle area. Subtract. Select your image area properly. Make sure all the details is selected or not. Then almost good for me. Now what I am going to do, just separate this image from your canvas and then select the move tool and then drag and drop this sky into this image like that, and then minimize this image. Now it is in the new layer. What you have to do, press the shift key and it will be big, arrange it how do you want it. Now sky almost okay with that image, everything is covering. Now what you have to do, hit the right button. Now drag and drop this layer down in the your other image, girl image, right there. Wow, see what happened now. Now press Ctrl D to deselect. See, now it changed the sky with the this image. Now there's little small details still is there. For remove these small details, select your this image from your layer palette. Select this one and then select your background eraser tools and remove that one like that. You have to clean it properly like this. See? Now it's almost good, I think. Okay, when you are working in the projects, when you are working in the current panel, so like that you have to make it. Okay, this is the practical for you today. And there's another tool, magic eraser tool. Okay, so I will show you another example with this tool also. I will open another image from here. I will open this image to show you how to use that magic eraser tool, this one. And so there's only one option, there's no any different options. See what happens if you select this tool. It's contiguous selected and everything tolerance 50. Let's try this tool, what happens if you select with this one, what happens. Wow, see, it's very easy. This is the magic eraser tool. Okay, you have three tools: regular eraser tools, background eraser tools, and magic eraser tools. Now you should know how to work with these eraser tools, because when you're working in the projects, when you're working in the company, you should have good practice with these tools. When you want to use, you must know which tools you have to use at that time. So then for that you have to do more practice with this. Okay, and you know now all the eraser tools, normal eraser tools, background eraser tools, and magic eraser tools. Now I think very clearly you all can understand, even the small kids, they can understand how to use these tools and all, because I explain to understand even basic person also. Okay, go ahead and do more practice with these tools to polish your designing life. Thank you very much, and go ahead and do the practice. Don't forget to subscribe my channels and share with your friends to share your knowledge with them, and